Hi guys, welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set the viewport of the browser. Again, very simple function, yet very useful, because very often you will need to modify your width and height. So let me show you a quick example. So let's create a new test step, and let's give a description, change browser viewport. And again, this will be just a one-line function. Again, we need to use the browser object, and the function name is set window size. And it takes two parameters. One is width and one is height. So let's say you want a width and height like this. Oops. And it will basically change the resolution of the browser. And if I now put the pause here, just to demonstrate the results, so you can actually see it. So let's run the test. And as you can see, the browser is now slightly bigger. And if I now go and change it to something smaller, let's say 800 and 600, and I'm going to run the tests again, you will see that the final browser will be slightly smaller. Or not a browser, but the window inside the browser. See? Now the window is much smaller. Well, that's it. And in the next videos, I will show you a trick how you can actually emulate the viewport devices for mobile, tablet, and desktop. We will create a simple helper function for that. So the changing view size will be a little bit more useful. But again, there is nothing special, it's very simple. So yeah, I think we can close this video and see you in the next one.